Yeah, early morning start. We've jacked him up, changed some tyres over from last weekend's rally. We've got a Motokhana on today up Highclere. Yeah, decided I'd go and send it up there and see how we go. We'll do a bit more video through the day, give you an update, but yeah. Just had hose over from the weekend and that's it. Changed rally tyres to some road tyres. You.
This is round 2 of the Northwest Car Club's Khana series, which is sponsored by Forefront Real Estate. Today we're driving the little single cam Excel 1994 model, 5 speeds. It is a stock standard car except for a front set of coilovers which I've purchased and put in. They are 50mm DMS coilovers designed for the gravel.
Righto, test number 1. Fucking slippery out there. That one up.
Here we have our local CFM presenter out having a crack in his Lancer. It's great to see Nathan competing in quite a few of these events as well. Nathan's also done the rally last weekend with us, and yeah, he enjoys it as much as me. I think it's great to see some younger guys in the club, and yeah, definitely having a lot of fun. So here's his run.
Two runs down, fucked the first one up, went the wrong direction. That one was a little bit better, but slippery out there, and I don't know if I can compete with these four-wheel drives today. We'll keep having a crack and out here having some fun with the boys. Our first test for the day. Just a little Mako 1600. Gonna get dirty. And around we go. let's hope the rain holds out, otherwise it's going to be a wet and shitty day, but I'll show you some of the competition. This Subi's currently beating me. Dave is a bit of a punter. Bit hard to match the traction in the four-wheel drive. We might have them in the turns, but not in the drive. And then yeah, Aaron is in first place at the moment. Pressure. Right, left, right, left. Alright, the pressure's on. We've just checked the leaderboard. We're 1.2 seconds off first place. Not going to happen out there. She's a four-wheel drive track now, so we'll just see if we can consolidate for second, eh? First two-wheel drive would be nice, but see how we go. Send it, little. Alrighty, last test. I don't know, can I find 1.2 on the Subaru? I doubt it. Can I beat Bajaya? I also doubt it. Amazingly, after that run, we finished 0.1 of a second behind Dave in his blue Subaru. We did manage to pull out the 1.1 seconds, but 1.2 would have been required to equal first place. Yeah, it's not bad for a little single cam XL. It's definitely room for improvements there. We'll be doing a few little mods in between this one and the next one, and hopefully we can take that elusive P1. Yeah, massive shout out to all the officials, especially Steph Peters. He come up there on his birthday, helped run the day for us. So yeah, big thanks to everybody who organises these events for us, and hopefully we'll get a few more entries at the next one. Yeah, we'll see you all there.
If you haven't already subscribed, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on our next adventure.